Assalamu alaikum dear student. I hope you will be very safe and sound at home and trying your level best for the preparation of the final term. This is your final term and I do hope whatever the work is given to you at the end of the lecture you are writing it in a very good way, you are doing it in a very good way. This is grade 2. Today we are going to learn about adverbials in position of adverb like this one. And open your page here, page number 97. This is lecture number 46. Let's get started. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And position adverbials. For your kind information, at this level, look this one, adverb. When you have got ly for this level, understand this one, ly at the end of the word like, slowly, quickly, rudely, softly, badly, and like this one out of this one, backward or forward. And forward. This one. When ly comes at the end of the any verb, you must think that this linked with the adverb ly. Slowly, quickly, sadly, badly, backward, forward. Let's get started. There are some pictures here, this side. Look this one. Is the aeroplane moving quickly or slowly? Quickly and slowly. It is moving quickly. It links with the noun. Number 2, is the girl walking quietly or noisily? She is walking quietly. Number 3, is the girl speaking politely or rudely? She is speaking politely. Number 4, is the man shouting loudly or whispering softly? He is shouting loudly. Number 5, is the boy writing well or badly? He is writing badly. Number 6, is the car moving backward or forward? It is moving backward. Page number 98. What did Umar do yesterday? He played football. He played football. Number 2, what is Uzma going to do tomorrow? She is going to go to school. What did Zia and Maruf do last Saturday? They went to the cinema. What are the girls going to do next Saturday? They are going to swim in the sea. What is Nazan going to do tonight? She is going to do her homework. Page number 98. There are some questions. What did you do yesterday? Like this one. Question. This is book. Question number 1. What did you do yesterday? did you do yesterday? Question mark. Answer is I played football. I played football. I went to cinema. I went to school. You can write also yesterday, but it is a short one, it is better for you. I played football. Why we have got the second form of the verb, simple past? Because we have did here in question. When we have got the did in the question, you have to write second form of the verb. Played. I played football. Number 2. What are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow? Answer. In this question, we have already done this one. It is a simple future. Like this one, are going to do tomorrow. I am going to go to school. I am going to go to school. School tomorrow. I am going to go to school. Because in mustaqbil, the coming incoming, I am going to go to school. This is a simple future like this. Next one, what did you do last Saturday? What did you do last Saturday? Answer. I went to the park. I went to the park. Last Saturday I went to the park. Go and gone. Number 4. What are you going to do next Saturday? What are you going to do next Saturday? I am going to the zoo. Answer is I am going to the zoo. हकीका है मनात zoo. Last one. What are you going to do tonight? What are you going to do tonight? I am going to do my homework. Answer. I am going to do my homework. Okay, dear student, these are the shortest answer. You can also write here yesterday, but if you don't write, don't worry about this one. Only write what did you do yesterday? I played football yesterday. Yesterday I played football. What are you going to do tomorrow? This is a simple future. I am going to go to school tomorrow. What did you do last Saturday? Last Saturday I went to the park. What are you going to do next Saturday? I am going to the zoo. Because it's the coming time, that's why. What are you going to do tonight? I am going to do my homework. Okay, dear student, page number 99. Page number 99. Look this one. This is the time. Number 1. Usma wakes up at 7 o'clock every morning. Okay, this is your clock. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. We have got 3 needles on the clock. Okay, one for minute, minutes, hour, and this is second and second. Okay, look this one. Uzma wakes up at 7 o'clock every morning. O'clock. Remember this one, when we have got o'clock, it means a complete, perfect timing. No minute, no quarter past like this one, no two, no by. O'clock means off clock. When it totally struck off clock. When it's totally struck 7, Uzma wakes up at 7 o'clock every morning. Number 2, she has her breakfast at 7:30 every morning. Number 3, she goes to school at night at 8 o'clock every morning. Number 4, she has her first lesson at 8:15 every morning. Number 5, she goes home at 1:30 every day. And number 6, she has a meal at 2 o'clock every day. Number 7, she does her homework at 6 o'clock every day. Number 8, she has another meal at 7 o'clock every night. And number 9, she goes to bed at 10 o'clock every night. Number 10, what do you do every day like this one? Last one is empty, there is no written. You have to write this one. I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. Look here, there are 2, 3 things in timing. 8:15. If 8:15, this one. And this big needles here. This is 8:15. It is 8:15. 8:15. And have got 1:30. In the center. 1:30. This is 1:30. It is 8:15 and it is 1:30. When we have 30, half past, this is 1:30. 1:30. Like this, 1:30. Then 6 o'clock and other, like this. Read aloud. The end, bend, friend, blind, a person who can't see, a thing which cannot be seen. Blind person behind, half, hand, round, playground, second. In these words, we have got ND at the last. NT that comes at the last, here are the words scent, count, front and point. Page number 100. Mid position of adverb. All are adverbs, adverb of times, adverb of manners, like this one. Make true sentences. First one, in the morning, make true sentences. Number one, there are some adverbs, mid position adverb is given here. In the morning, I always see a bus. In the morning, I usually see a horse. In the morning, I often. In the morning, I sometimes. In the morning, I never see a bus, a horse, a train, an aeroplane, a car. What is the true sentence? Maybe some of you see this one, a train, aeroplane, a car, a horse, a bus, like this one. But in a true way, look this one, in the morning, I sometimes. In the morning, I sometimes see an aeroplane. This one, it seems to be suitable. In the morning, I sometimes see an aeroplane. Number two, a bookshop. A bookshop. A bookshop sells school books. Always sells school book. Never sells. Never sells meat. It seems to be very true because we have got option here: writing paper, books, newspaper, and school books. A school, a bookshop never sells meat. Only a butcher shop that sells meat. A bookshop never sells meat. It sells what? Books. Number 3. We always find sand by the sea. We always find sand by the sea. That's a true one. This is a true sentence. In the evening, I often eat rice. Number 4. In the evening, I often eat rice. Number 5, this one. On Saturday, I usually write in a car, on a train. You can say that one. On Saturday, I usually ride a train. You can write here, I sometimes write on a train like this one. I usually ride a train in common, okay, on Saturday. Make true sentences. In the morning, I sometimes see an aeroplane. Our bookshop never sells meat. We always find sand by the sea. In the evening, I often eat rice, and on Saturday, I usually ride a train. This one, next one, revision. Okay, dear student, I do hope that you understood it very well. Number 101. This is our last page. Revision. Look, this one, make sentences like the ones below. Okay, he often falls down. There are two verbs, fall and fell. This is the first form and this is the second form of the verbs. Okay, dear student, look this one. He often falls down. He often falls down. Second, you have to write the second form of the verb at place of the first form. He often fell down. He often fell down. Look this one. In first sentence, we have to use first form of the verb. In first sentence, we have to use first form of the verb, and in second sentence, we have to use second form of the verb. I hope you understood this one very well indeed. Yes, he fell down. You can write here, yes, he. Yes, he fell down. Yes, he fell down like this one. I hope you understood this one. In first sentence, we have to use false, first form of the verb. In second sentence, write yes and then subject, and then write second form of the verb. This is number 1. Number 2, Look this one. She sometimes wakes at 8 o'clock. She sometimes wakes at 8 o'clock. Here we have got first form of the word. Second one, woke. Yes, she woke up at 8 o'clock. Yes, she woke up at 8 o'clock. Okay, dear student, it is very easy. You have to follow this one. Number 3, the dog always hides behind the door. Yes, it hid behind the door. Yes, this is the answer. Yes, it hid behind the door. We have to write on the second line. Number 4. He usually gives him ice cream. Yes, he gave him an ice cream. Yes, he usually gave him an ice cream. An ice cream. Number 5. Yes, he usually gave him an ice cream. Sell and sold. He sometimes sells him a newspaper. He sometimes sold him a newspaper. He sold him a newspaper. You can write this one. Yes, he sold him a newspaper. Sold him a newspaper. Yes, he gave him an ice cream. Yes, he sold him a newspaper. Number 6. He always knows the answer. He knew the answers. Yes, he knew the answers. Number 7. They often dig a hole. Yes, they dug a hole. Yes, they dug a hole. Number 8. Send and sent. He sent her a present. Yes, he sent her a present. Number 9. She always leaves home at 8 o'clock. Yes, she left home at 8. Yes, she left home at 8 o'clock. And the last one, number 10. Ring rang. The teacher rang a bell. Yes, he rang student, in this question, you have to write the second form of the verb in next sentence. And remember this one, don't use adverb in next sentence. Like this one, sometimes, often, always. Like this one, don't use this one. Down, read aloud, highlight, write, fight, tight, and frighten. Frighten, hope. That's all for your active book first. And I give you the homework. I hope you understood this one. This is your homework. Write question answer. Homework. Write question answer. Page 98. Then write on your copy, page number 100, page 100, write answer, make true sentences. True sentences. Page number 100 and the page number revision. On book. Revision on book, page number 101. This is your homework, dear student. You have to complete this one on your notebook and as well as here on page number 101, 101. I hope you understood today's lessons. Inshallah, we will meet in next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.